Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first vlog of 2022. Okay, so I actually already filmed this intro a couple of days ago, but I lost the footage, so I'm here again. But basically this vlog is gonna be me trying to get my life back together because I've been in a rut slash burnout slash I was all over the place. Like, okay, so let me explain. So for December, I was constantly filming and editing and uploading and like working, and you guys saw a lot of videos that I posted because I literally was filming and editing every day, basically almost every day, until like the 20th, I would say. I think it was one of the last videos, and it was like burnout, complete burnout. I was like, I cannot do this, I cannot do this anymore. I was like, I feel like I've been on a grind like for months, like never stopping for months. So literally, like when Christmas rolled around, I was like, okay, like I need a break, I cannot do this. Like my body, physically, my body was like, no. So yeah, I've been taking it feels like a really long break, but a much needed break. You know what I mean? So yeah, here we are. It is Tuesday, January 4th, but I'm actually going to put some clips that I did have because I started filming like on Sunday, and I had like some footage of me like reorganizing my room and just like things that I had to do to kind of like get my life back together. So this video is going to be in parts. Okay, so the first part in getting my life back together and organized is cleaning up my room, because on Sunday when I started filming this, my room was a complete mess. So I will be back when the clip is over of me cleaning my room, and let's see what I do next. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I really need to clean up and do my bed, change my bed, do everything. So let's get to that.
How was this chanting? All around the block I hear the people counting, staring at their clocks, and you can see the children holding out their breath. Oh yeah. Oh, corks and bottles ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves, broken hearts and crazy rides. And when you hear the countdown, goodbye, oh dear, thanks for being around. I feel the next one is going to slay, and it's a minute to midnight. People smiling and embracing, they are having a great time. You can read it on their faces, it's a minute to midnight. There's no way I'm feeling blue, cause in a minute at midnight I'd be busy kissing you. And then the sky will blossom up into a million colors, rising from the city roofs. So no, oh, oh, la, la. And when you hear the countdown.
Okay, now that my room is clean, let's go to the next step, which is kind of like setting goals, journaling, reflecting, that kind of stuff. So I have a notebook here that I haven't used. So it's just a really cute notebook. It says notes. It's from Target. I'm going to try to find it, and if I do, I'm gonna put it down below. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like 3 separate pages. Okay, so the first one is going to be for setting goals. So I'm gonna write 10 goals that I want to achieve in 2022. Maybe I'll add some more, but just 10 goals that I want to achieve or that I want to have, etc. in 2022. And the thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them as like it's happening in the present moment, kind of all part of manifesting. But whatever, that's the first page. Then on the second page, I'm gonna put like kind of like another goal setting thing, but with money. So the amount of money that I want to save, earn, etc., etc. from different sources. Just write it all down so I have it in mind. And the third page is basically a to-do list for today. So let's do that and then we'll go to the third step.
I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I can't do this place.
Okay, so now that I'm done with that, the next step is basically decluttering and kind of reorganizing my laptop. So form like new folders for my new semester, reorganize my screen, delete some things, just put it very organized for the new semester and the new year. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, let's go to step number 4. I think it's 4. Yeah, I think it's 4. And that is using Notion. So this is also on my laptop, but I use Notion to like kind of organize my like social media platforms and my content and everything. So I use a template that I got off a girl here on YouTube that I don't remember. I'm gonna try to remember and put it down below, but it's basically a template. There are a bunch of free templates that people like give you in YouTube videos, but Notion is kind of like an organizing app. So I'm gonna use that, and I have a different like page for like my YouTube content, Instagram, TikTok, personal life, like fitness, also school, etc., etc. Basically a big planner on my laptop. But yeah, let's organize that. Okay, and the final step, which is step number 5, I think, is reorganizing my bookshelves. And I'm only going to organize one bookshelf because it kind of has like Christmas decorations and the Christmas books on display. So I want to like reorganize it because it's not Christmas anymore. So let's go ahead and do that. It's gonna be so fun. Okay. I'm so excited to like see how it turns out. I'm actually going to get a new bookshelf very soon to put more of my books in there because I feel like it's kind of getting a bit messy. Let's go to reorganizing my bookshelf. Okay, so I think that the last step is start doing my to-do list for today because I haven't done anything in my to-do list and I do need to do some things, very important things, so I need to go do that. So that is basically going to be the video for today, you guys. This is kind of like an experiment of a video. It was really just for me to get my mind like organized, ready for 2022 because I've been slacking, I've been burned out, I am sick of it, so I just needed to get my life together. So that was the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you stay and subscribe because I am going to be doing so many other vlogs, normal vlogs about my life in college and studying, also reading vlogs, obviously my book recommendations, and so much more. So stay tuned. I love you guys, and I hope you've had an amazing start to 2022. Bye!
Oh, corks and bottles ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves.